Pupunta tayong Disneyland, Tokyo. And while waiting for the train, kakain muna tayo ng onigiri. From Sumida, it took us an hour to go there. Chiba. This was winter season, kaya I really can't believe this schoolgirls na nakaskirt. At bago rin kami pumasok ng Disneyland Resort, nag-Starbucks muna kami. And it is also cool kasi may sariling train station line ang Disney. You can load your own pass mo na ginagamit mo din sa transportation trains outside of the Disney Resort. Here's what it looks like inside the train. It's so cool and cute and very Disney, very Mickey. May 4 na stations to, Disneyland, Disney Sea, isa nakalimutan ko na, and yung isa kung saan kami pinanggalingan. And of course, meron din silang sariling hotel kung gusto nyo doon matulog, diba? This is an amusement park, kaya syempre mag-rides tayo, madami. First one ay Monsters Inc. This is not an extreme ride, medyo pang bata siya. And grabe talaga yung mga Japanese, especially sa work, kasi ningiti talaga sila. Ito naman yung mga different scenes from the movie itself. Next naman, trinay namin yung Star Wars. Kasi yung ride, it's like a movie, it's like a 4D or like 8D. Ang dami yung nakasakay sa spaceship, tapos yung buong spaceship like gumagalaw, like lahat kayo gumagalaw. It's so cool, hindi siya individual seats. Tapos yung visuals pa, ang ganda, para ka talaga nandun, totoong totoo. Next stop is Space Mountain. Yan, one of the extreme rides to. Hindi na ako naka-video kasi baka mahulog yung phone ko. Then we strolled around Disney, of course. This is French theme kasi ito yung part ni Beauty and the Beast ni Belle. And ang ganda dito, para ka talaga nandun sa France. Kasi French. Diba? Meron pang statue at fountain si Gaston. And we saw a very beautiful view from afar, the Cinderella's castle. Sa sunset. Ito rin yung gusto namin matry, yung waffle company, kasi meron tong Minnie Mouse waffle, which is sobrang sikat online. And then the crew have these cute little dresses na lahat babae. Ito na yung waffle, titikman na natin. Okay naman siya as a waffle. Wala namang very kakaiba. Lasang waffle na mukha ni Minnie Mouse. Ito naman sa Pirates of the Caribbean, isa sa pinaka-cool na nasakyan namin. Hindi siya extreme, pero yung art niya, yung prosthetics niya, as in parang totoo. Tignan nyo si Jack Sparrow. Para siyang totoong tao.
Villainy, larceny, skullduggery, and persnickety. Drink up me hearties yo-hos.
Grabe, diba? Isipin mo yun, it's a robot, inanimate. And then we had a few snacks before we visited Cinderella's castle. And did you know that this year is their 40th anniversary? Actually, when I went here, hindi ko alam na Cinderella's castle siya. Sabi ko, ang Disneyland castle is Cinderella's castle. Very main character naman pala si Cinderella. And then I searched kung ano yung mga castles ng mga Disney. It's either Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty, and meron pa isa yung sa Shanghai Disneyland. It's very cool to know kasi nga sila yung originals. Medyo malapit naman na kami umuwi na to. Medyo bumigay na yung sapatos ko kasi boots ko na to talaga for winter. And ngayon lang ulit ako nag-winter. And then, we went to see the parade. Siyempre, yung mga characters from the Disney movies, Tangled, Cinderella, Sleeping Beauty, and a lot of characters. After dinner, we had our last ride in Toy Story. Hindi siya super extreme, pero one of my favorites to kasi very interactive siya, very competitive kasi may point system, tapos kailangan mo baril-baril yung target. And paunahan ko yung mabaril yun at kung sino yung mas pinakamataas sa score, syempre ko yung panalo. And guys, if you're going to Disneyland or Disney Sea, have the Disney app. Very helpful siya kasi nandun din yung maps, and dami niyang features, and makikita mo rin kung ilang time na lang yung mismong ride na yun. It's so cool. At ayun na nga, bumigay na nga ang aking mga sapatos. Itapon na natin at tayo umuwi na. Bye! See you tomorrow in Disney Sea!